What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Simba coming back here again on another new video for you guys today. For today's new video, man, as you guys can see, it's different. I'm not in my room. That's because we're gonna be doing some installs on my Camaro SS 2017. Our channel sponsor, American Authority, sent over these cool carbon fiber trim for the interior here, and we're gonna go ahead and install this. This is a fun, cool, quick little first mod that you can do on your Camaro or Challenger, Charger. You can just buy these overlays and just lay them right on your trim. All you need for this mod is a rag and some alcohol for the surface, and then a lighter. So let's do it. Take some alcohol. I'm gonna just wipe down your surface, get it nice and clean from all the dirt. My car is dirty as well. I have not been to the car wash, so excuse my car, but you just want to get all the dirt out of there so it can stick. I also have a paper towel here so I can get the residue off of there as best as possible. Alright, that looks like it's pretty good. So now we're gonna install this bad boy here, and you kind of get like a one shot with this, so it's kind of just one and done. But you want to, what we're gonna try to do is line that up perfectly like that, get that to stick on, and then we'll be golden. Remove the sticker. I got the lighter here, and I'm just kind of gonna just rub it, make sure it melts down a little bit, you know, to get it to stick a little bit stronger there. And we're gonna go ahead and line this up and see if we can get this perfectly. All right, so I'm gonna go in first like that, so it's not sticking, it's just tipping in there. And let's see, let's lay it down. And then we'll just stick it on there. And it looks really good. I think it looks fucking badass, personally. That looks dope. We're just gonna repeat the steps, you know, clean it off, wipe it off, and then lay that sucker down. So get your alcohol, rub it, make sure you get all that dirt, all that residue out so it can stick better. Let's see here, get that out. And now you can use soap and water. I just chose alcohol because it kind of helps a little bit better, but you can definitely just use soap and water. Just make sure you get all the like smudging, all the smudges out, and just whatever residue is left. All right, so just like the first one, we're gonna go ahead and peel this off, and then take a little flame to it. Oh, this one kind of peeled off easier. Get it to stick. All right, and then I'm just gonna take this, and you don't have to do this. This is just something that I think helps. Just take the flame and just kind of run it just a little bit. All right, so this one is the same thing, just a little bit longer. So I'm gonna do the same technique. I'm just gonna push it in there first, not stick it. Just kind of push it in, and then try to lay it down. Let's see here. Boom. Nice and simple. Nice. And I love that fit. That is a perfect fit. Like, honestly, there's no way you can mess this up. There's no way. It's just perfect. It's perfectly aligned. Everything is great. And it's snug, man. It's super snug. See there? Get that. Well, there you guys have it. Some quick first mods for the Camaro SS, man. It looks dope. I love the carbon fiber. I love how it looks. It's super lightweight, super thin, man, and it feels really, really good. So please, if you guys want any of that, man, if you guys want any of the trim accessory pieces for either a Camaro, Charger, Challenger, whatever type of vehicle that you have, you want some carbon fiber pieces and a quick little mod, go click the link down below in the description, man. Visit American Authority, tell them Simba sent you. Use my code for 15% off. All links are down in the description. Go ahead, man. I'll see you guys next time. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. Thank you guys for commenting, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys. Peace.